guys, good morning. What's up? Oh my god, I miss you. I miss you so much. You know why? Today's gonna be a special day, okay? Because we got something for you guys to check out, okay? So by the way, oh god, it's too early. It's too early. I got waking up and you know what? Hey, we got some toys that came in the mail. Okay? And then they said check it out. Alright? So now I want you guys to see and pay attention, okay? Because this toy is a tool set. It's a kid's tool set. And then what it does is that it gives a perspective for kids that when they grow up, they can like build things with it, be a carpenter, and then build houses, repair houses. And then they come up with this kind of toy. So it's really cool, okay? So tan-tan-tan-tan! Boom! Whoa! Here's the box! Alright! So, I just found out that you don't really have to have a knife to open a box. All you gotta do is push the side over, push it hard, and then stick your finger in there, rip the tape out, and there you go. Alright guys, this is what it is, okay? See? It's a tool basket with like tools in it. Choking hazard. It's a small parts not for children under 3 years old. So not for this little guy right here, okay? Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh, come on, Synclair. Here we go. I'll show you what it is, okay? Voila! Ha-ha! Yeah. So you get a wrench. What is this? So you get a hammer. That's a good one. You like the banger, Azzy? Then you got some more right here. Look, what is this? What is this? A handsaw. A handsaw. Yeah. You get some good looking thing. Here you go, guys. Whoa! Wow! Look at that. Look, so you can build. See this one right here? It's like a manual. It'll tell you what's inside here. Look. Display. Oh, stop building. See, look. It's got a screwdriver, a hammer, wrench, tightening screws, saw, and a wrench right here. That's what it looks like if I were to build them. Here's another one right here. See that one right there? This complete set. It's pretty cool, huh? Yup. Alright, let's get to it. So we're gonna do this one right here. Banger, you like the banger, Azzy?
Being the star and the king.
Hey. So you can do this right here. Go.
I want your banger.
Yeah? You can do this one right here. So we can put this tool.
I'm fixing the.
Oh, nice. So these are the tightening screws, the hammer. Alright guys, so check them out, okay? So we have a link over here for the Amazon store. It's called DIY store, Gaty DIY, that's the store name. Check them out, really great prices and fast shipping. It'll be there in a few days. Guys, check them out. Look, see this one? I'm almost halfway done. Here we go. Check them out, okay? Lovely, you're gonna love them. Yeah? Oh, look at that, he's building things already. Yeah? Synclair. Look what I did. Yeah?
Square.
Yeah, square. Screw? No, it's called a wrench. There's another one over here. Oh, look what I did. See this? Beautiful, huh? Here's another one over here. This can be put together, especially on the other side.
I just go ahead.
Yeah?
This is the one for the
look. Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
We have a screwdriver too right here. Take that out. See? Nice.
That's my baby. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and smash that like button and comment down below what's your favorite toy on the internet.
Wow. Guys, did you hear that? That's awesome, CB. He's growing up. Pretty sure he's gonna be the one that's talking in the video soon, okay? CB here. Say hi.
Bye.
Bye guys. Alright, we'll see you next time, okay?